Ever wanted a totally different layout for just one type of product? Not different content, an actual different template? Turns out, Shopify's had this built in the whole time. It's called an alternate template, and I'm going to show you how to create one, assign it, and then the part most tutorials just skip. What happens once you've got more than a handful of products? So, what are alternate templates on Shopify? Every product, collection, page, or blog has one default template. An alternate template is just a second version you can swap in instead. Say you've got a fashion store, dresses and hats. Give dresses their own template with a size guide and care instructions. Hats? Leave them alone. Default's fine. Now I will show you how to create an alternate template on Shopify. If you're on Online Store 2.0, and honestly most stores are these days, this takes 2 minutes, no code. Head to your theme customizer, pick a resource type, we'll go with product, hit Create Template, and customize it. To assign a template on Shopify, in our case, a product template, open up the product, find the Theme Template dropdown in the sidebar, pick your template, save. Done. Here's the part nobody warns you about. This only applies to what's selected right now. Add a new product tomorrow? Back to default. If you're adding a product every few months, no big deal. If you're adding them every week, yeah, this gets old fast. So here's the fix. An app called AutoAssign Templates. Set a rule once, and every new product gets templated automatically, forever. Install it, flip on automatic assignment, pick your resource type, and the template you want. Then set a condition. Something like, title contains dress, assign the dress template. And you can stack conditions too. Title contains dress, compare it price is not empty, then every dress that's on sale gets its own template automatically. No manual work, ever again. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes.